Bill the Artist here, and I'm back with a how to draw video. Not done one for a long time, for absolute beginners. Last one was the Boss Baby. Had a lot of stuff going on with family, lots of hospital trips, but all fun and merriment. Everyone's quite happy now. Anyway, so like I said, the Boss Baby was the last one, and then we did some from the Secret Life of Pets before that, and there's others from other series in pencil, and we did these. I did some Pokemon ones with cheap felt tips. Here's a set of cheap felt tips that I bought, like 99 pence or 99 cents dollar store kind of Poundland, very cheap felt tips, just to see what they were like. But I also did this one. This was Danger Mouse, British cartoon character on CBBC, and that was good fun doing our Danger Mouse. That's a blast from my past when I grew up watching and drawing cartoon characters. But today we're going to do Homer Simpson. So we're going to go off, and I knew that Matt Groening, I've seen him draw, and he would just go straight in with a felt tip pen, as he would to do the actual artwork. Whereas I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you using boxes. Remember, how to draw anything shows you using boxes very simply. Now again, we're going to put some construction lines down. So there's a line in the centre, because that's where Homer's eye is, roughly, and the bottom of his eye. And I know it's a circle, but the top of his eye is going to kind of come about there. So then if we put a very quick simple box in, and then we can carry that over, and we can see that his left eye is going to come to there, so there's a rectangle, and then his nose kind of comes 2/3 of the way over inside that box. So his nose is going to come over there, and then his cheek is a little bit past down here. So again, we've got another box that is going to be his jaw, his top of his mouth and his jaw. So his mouth is going to come across there, and that's going to come an end where his pupil will be, that we'll put in a second. Again, I'm drawing these lines in very faint. You can see them, but they are quite faint because I'm going to go over with a felt tip pen, and we'll just put a little box there, which is his lip, his bottom lip, and then draw the box down, and there's his chin. So we know that's going to come all the way down there, and then come down, and there's his neck, and we've just got a very simple V and a rectangle going up here, which will be his collar. We'll finish that line off at the bottom, and then you need his neck. Well, we'll come here first, and we'll do just a simple letter C. So a simple letter C will be his ear, and then we can bring a line down for his neck, and you can see a bit of a triangle going on there, and then we need a nice big box going up. Now where his nose is, we can draw his eyebrow, and that line will match that one there, and there's the top of his head. So you can see there's another simple box shape, and we'll draw the curve inside. So there, very simply, is a cubist, Picasso based Homer Simpson. And now we're going to just get a pen, and we're going to fill in, and we will start with his eye. So you need to draw a nice circle inside there. Now you can, if you can find something that's a circle size, use that, but I'm just going to do it all freehand. So we're going to start here and draw a circle shape, and then we can draw his nose going round, and we'll stop there, and we'll bring that round in a second. We'll go back up, and we'll put his other eye in. So that's got to go, and then we'll put his pupil in. So it's not in the centre, this one is. So there you have fantastic eyes glaring out at you. Now here we will draw down to where his lip is going to be. So just draw a little curve for his lip, and then join that on. Now down with his pupil, we can then put his mouth in. Now we can finish off and come round. If we just put in, again, just to the left of his nose, draw down, there's his bottom lip, and then we can just draw a nice big C. So here we draw a nice C all the way round. Now again, we'll come up here and we'll just put his eyebrow in, and then from the top of his head, draw a curve inside from the top using the curve of your wrist. But then, rather than resting your wrist on, use your entire arm pivoting from your shoulder. Don't rest it on the paper, and draw coming down. But we'll just draw this C in here for his ear. So remember, there's just a nice capital C. That little flick in there, which will be his earlobe lines, and then draw that all the way down. The line underneath his ear, the back of his head will join his neck. So draw that down. Now his collar is curved, it's not square like a box. So think where your point is, but just draw a nice simple curved line because it's a soft material. Again, draw that line over the top, match the line underneath, and then you've got a nice zigzag, but that can just be a capital V if you wanted. And you can come off here, go down, and there, if you draw the top of his chest up to his neck, there's his chest, and there's the edge of his collar. Here we can draw down off his back. That's got to be wider than, because his shirt's outside of his shoulder, and then we can draw his actual shoulder on. Now the final bits, he's lost all of his hair, but we want some of that back on. Just nice simple curves. So you just draw a simple curve on the top, whichever way you want to go. Just touch on and draw, and then replicate it. And his final bit, his hair, is just a capital M. If you look at it, it's just an M going through. So just look and draw a capital M. And there's Homer, nice and quickly. Now again, I can use the cheap felt tips if we want to actually colour him. I'm going to have a go with this pencil crayon, but before I do that, I'm just going to erase the construction lines, the boxes. Remember, how to draw anything, the links in the cards and in the descriptions. There's over 90 videos in the How to Draw playlist, and they all pretty much use this technique of using the boxes to construct your drawing first. And you can see how quick and simple it is. This has been so far just over 5 minutes doing the drawing. Now, I'm going to colour in, and if you use the flat of the pencil, using this pencil crayon, you can use felt tips if you want, but I just like the vibrancy of this pencil crayon colour. And not only that, you can control pencil crayon more than you can a felt tip. A felt tip colour is flat and solid, so unless you've got a very, very, very wide range of felt tip colours, you can do more with pencil crayons than you can, because you can press on harder or softer. You can also mix colours. But the bonus with Homer Simpson is there's no shadows. He's one flat colour. And that's the beauty of cartoons like The Simpsons and older cartoons. They would just do flat colours rather than having very detailed shadows. And so colouring in is just great fun. So whether you're using felt tips or crayons, you can just have a lot of fun and make it work. So there you go, you can see Homer is coloured in, and when you fill in a big area like this, if you squint, you can kind of helps you when you're zigzagging really, really quickly. And it doesn't matter, like there, I've just gone into the eyeball. You're just having fun drawing. Now again, I don't have the exact colour, so I'm going to use these two. That's a light tan, and that's a kind of more earthy brown. So I'm going to go softly with the earthy brown, and just fill in the shape really quickly. And that's a bit muted, it's a bit cool in regards of brown, whereas that nice tan colour that he's got for his 5 o'clock shadow, this more ochre colour should bring it up and you'll see it appear. And this is what you can do, again, as I say, with pencil crayons more than you can with felt tip pens, unless you've got a massive range of felt tip pens. You can be actually quite limited on the colours and the range that you can actually produce. Anyway, I think that's quite good fun and quite quick on a how to draw Homer Simpson. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Please do like and subscribe for more videos. There's going to be a lot more in the future, and I look forward to sharing with you and helping and encouraging you to draw. Enjoy drawing Homer and other Simpsons characters. Ta-da.